Hi guys, this is Sop Mimar here and welcome to my Simplicit review. So this is the dashboard of Simplicit, and in this video I will give you a detailed walkthrough of this software. So before getting into the review, let me just clear you that you will be given some good bonuses, like 6 awesome bonuses with this product if you purchase it from my website, and that will be given to you totally free once you have purchased the product. Okay, so let me give you a short brief about this product. So Simplicit is all about making money pages. So money pages is also a new concept to me, but this is nothing but making landing pages or funnel pages. So there will be so many funnel pages, like more than 80 funnel pages or landing pages given to you, and those are pretty similar, but in some way they are different from other, and they are really high converting pages. These pages really works. This is my personal experience. From my personal experience I am saying this. So before getting into the product, let me show you my bonuses, what I am giving you with this product. And basically this is the bonuses. So this is the timer, and the timer is very strictly followed, and once this timer runs out, the bonus will be vanished from here. And there is also another way to get the bonuses. If you purchase the product from my website, and if you are not getting the bonuses, then click here and go to my Facebook page, and from there you can message me to get the bonuses. So my first bonus is ever working affiliate method. So the method which I am also using on a daily basis, and I am not earning so much, but I have earned more than 800 bucks, not 800 bucks, and 800 bucks. Sorry, sometimes I make so much grammatical mistakes, and this is an evergreen method, and it is via evergreen, or by evergreen I mean to say that it is working these days, in present it is working, and it will be working in futures also. So after 10 years it will be also working, because if there is affiliate marketing, if there is internet marketing, then it will be working, because there is a very logical explanation behind it, and you will be earning with this method. So this method is totally cleared by me to you once you have purchased the bonus. So that was my bonus number 1, and that is totally exclusive. You can't get from anywhere this kind of method. So basically top marketers are also using this method. Some top marketers, not all of them, most of them are using paid method, but this is a totally free method, and I will be given to you once you have purchased it from my website. So my bonus number 2 is Leadership Authority Gold. So this is also a 10 videos video pack. So this is also a over the shoulder step-by-step video training, which will show you that how you can become a leader inside saturated market within any niche. So this was my bonus number 2, and bonus number 3 is done for you funnel pages. 10 done for you funnel pages, as this product is already giving you funnel pages. So I think that why I am not giving you funnel pages, I should give you also funnel pages. 10 done for you high quality funnel pages will be given to you with this product inside bonus 3. So my bonus number 4 is, it is taking a bit time. So my bonus number 4 is a premium theme for your website, like COV theme. You can check this out if you want. This is a premium theme, and that will be given to you totally free. And my bonus number 5 is mega bonus. So if I can show you, I want to show you, if I can show you, let me show you. So mega bonus are nothing but the bonuses which will be given to you from the vendor. Okay, maybe most of the affiliates will be giving you these bonuses. So the first bonus is boost your online sales. The second bonus is Facebook ad. The third bonus is buyer click Rolodex, and the fourth bonus is 30 ways to get free traffic, and the fifth bonus is the affiliate marketing blueprint. And these are really valuable also, but most of the affiliates will be offering this kind of bonuses. Not also, I am giving you also my bonuses, like exclusive bonuses, list building expert, and this is the newbie guide to internet success. Like all of them are into make money online niche, and you can check this out. This is a very good pack also. The Phoenix, I have gone through it, and this is a very knowledgeable pack, like video informational pack, tutorial pack to become a successful money maker inside online marketing. And this is also a very good pack, breakout code. So this was the mega bonus, like the vendor give to me to give you the bonuses. The vendor give to other affiliate also to give you the bonus, and most of the affiliates will be offering you these bonuses. So let me now show you my 6th bonus is the upsell bonuses. If you purchase any upsell of this tool from my website, you will be given more, as the upsells are costlier. Obviously you will be given more, and inside the upsell bonuses you will be given more softwares, more plugins, high quality graphic images, doodle images, miscellaneous product with like PLR product with resell rights. You can resell them, and this was the bonus, and this is a timer. You can check out as soon as possible by you to get all of the bonuses. So now let me show you the product, and now let me give you a detailed walkthrough from inside of this tool. So this is the dashboard of this tool. There are some statistics, some numeric statistics, and after that this is a social accounts. So I have already integrated my account. You can see this is my name and this is my page, soft memeware. And after integrating your page, like if you have Instagram page or account, business account, you can also integrate that into this place. Okay, so I have no Instagram account like business account, so I have not integrated that. So the next thing is find offers from JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So you can promote any product from JVZoo and Warrior Plus. As you can see, this is totally updated on a daily basis, as I am making this video 7th February, and this is the products from 6th February, 5th February, 4th February. On a daily basis they are updating these products. So after getting the product link, you can grab the link and then you can design a page. So this is the main thing, and this is the most creative thing inside this software. As you can see, if I want to open this page and also this page, these pages are looking very similar, but let me show you once this is opened up. So as you can see, these pages are, the backgrounds are changed inside these two pages. Okay, so only the backgrounds are changed, and as you can see, these pages are really good converting. If you have noticed that there are so many such kind of pages who offers you to get instant access, to get instant offer or bonus, something like that, and they will capture your email IDs for future purpose, for email marketing purpose. And this is the page also like similar, and this is totally easy customizable. So for such kind of you can get same kind of product inside ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is charging monthly. The lowest price is monthly $97 a month, and easy and drag and drop builder. You can just drag and drop here and you can create here, and once you have created this, they are not providing you the hosting feature. Okay, if they are providing you the hosting feature, then it will be a full-fledged pack, but it will be a like full pack. Okay, but maybe the price will be also higher if they are providing the hosting and domain purpose, like the cloud app. It will be a cloud-based app. If it will be a cloud-based app, then the price will be higher, but it is not. It just provides you the page, and you can upload it inside your website, like inside your server, like domain and hosting server, inside your website, inside your WordPress website, inside your Thrive Architect. Okay, so you can upload the pages inside your website, and these pages are really high converting page. From my experience, I am saying this. You can download the pages and you can upload it. It will be downloaded in zip file and you can upload it. So the next option is, these are like additional options in my opinion. This is the main feature of this tool, and in additional they are giving you the comment template. Let me show you the comment template. Create new template. Let me put here any name here, and auto commenting, sorry, let me put here any random comment. Okay, so let me click on save. So it has been saved. So this is the comment created, and you can edit it if you want, and you can just automate your campaign via clicking automatic campaign and reply template. You can also check out all of these options. You can also like do Facebook posting, but this is not our essential options, cause you can do it from going Facebook, something like that. These are like additional options: call to action button, carousel or slider post. Okay, and IG automations like Instagram automation. So that was the tool, and let me now show you the review of this tool, like what are the steps, what is the pricings, what are the sales funnel of this tool. So inside rating, as you can see, this tool has got a really good rating, 95%, 97, ease of use 96, value for money 94, market rates 95, and overall it has got 9.5 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance. And also I never consider market rates inside this overall section. So this is the product price. This is a very cheap product, as you can see, like 17 bucks, and they are providing you also additionally they are providing you 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. I don't know exactly if you can refund it within 30 days, but I am sure that for first 7 days you can refund it via Warrior Plus, the platform you are purchasing. You can use them to refund, and that will be assuredly refundable. Okay, the Warrior Plus platform. So you should have nothing to worry for the first 7 days. So this is the launch period, and you just mark the time 9 AM 7th February, and this is the New York time, and these are the product definition, and this is the inside, and you can check out what I am saying about this tool. I highly recommend to get any online marketer to get this tool, because this kind of pages are really take time to create, and just you can't create this kind of pages like same pages or like with a little difference or each and every pages. Okay, so these pages are really good. You can check out this product if you want to. So this is the front end product, 17 bucks, and these are the upsells. You can go through the upsells if you want to, given video description link, and also you can check out the bonuses via visiting my page from the video description link, and you can go through the sales funnel. This is pretty much deep sales funnel. If you want, I can read the title out only. So the Simplicity Pro Edition 37 bucks, Simplicity Pro Edition downsell 27 bucks, Autopilot Edition 97 and downsell 67, and also you can go through the detail obviously. So Explorer Edition 67 bucks, 47 downsell, Simplicity Unlimited Traffic Edition 197, and Unlimited Traffic downsell 97, and also Simplicity Inner Circle Edition, like Facebook group maybe, I don't know what is it, 67 bucks and 47 downsell, and Simplicity Agency Rights. You can sell this product, you can get a license over this product via spending 197 bucks and downsell 97 bucks. So I have cleared you my bonuses also. Now let me show you how you can get the bonuses. After purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus. Okay, so once you have gone through inside your Warrior Plus, the purchase history option, you will be given this blue button. This blue button is named as Access Affiliate Bonus, and from this button you can get the bonuses. This is the only way to get the bonuses after purchasing the product obviously. So this was the product overview and also my bonuses overview. I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.